Here at almost 2 o'clock, the snow has been stopped for several hours now in Louisville and in this old historic section of the city. Even the sidewalks are improving, and that's something else because the sidewalks are up to each different homeowner to fix. Now, take a look at the streets. This is East Washington Street. You see the historic twin steeples, there of St. Joseph's Catholic Church. And this is East Washington Street. And for a street like this to be pretty clear, it's not really the main target of the city's snow plows. This is pretty good. The mayor giving an afternoon update saying 50 trucks have been on the road today, clearing things end to end. But you could still see some evidence of some wrecks. Even with the interstates looking in such good shape, people are still having accidents as they may have been caught off guard by some slick spots or even driving too fast off to the side of the roadway. But generally, things improved pretty fast, and that's thanks to a temperature that stayed in the mid-30s from this scene earlier this morning.